Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the Peak Design tech pouch. I have a series of documents and things that I would typically travel with and want to include in any tech pouch, similar to Peak Designs here. And we will see how things fit and come together with the pouch. Now, before we get into the pouch, be sure to subscribe to the viatravelers.com YouTube channel, where we'll be releasing a series of unboxing videos related to travel products and gear that will help make your life easier while you travel. As a person that has way too much gear while traveling, not just clothes, but basically tech gear related to drone, camera photography gear, prepaid data cards, backup SSD storage, laptops, converters, the whole thing. A tech pouch is very, very important for me to stay organized and make sure I don't lose something valuable like an SSD card full of photography and videography. So I have the tech pouch here. As you can see, I will unbox this. I have not seen or used this product before, so this is all first time seeing it. So as you can see here, the tech pouch cover and label. The outside seems like durable kind of material, high quality, low rough, but has little different holders, ways to kind of strap it into your backpack or your luggage. Let's go ahead and start opening this now. And then here are some just easy access gear organization features that you can see. Weatherproof zips, weatherproof canvas, and then also an SD card pocket, which for me is absolutely essential. And then here's an example of how many items you can actually fit in here. And you can even make it in a sling bag style. Let's open it up. I will disclaimer that I am very bad at organization. So even with a tech pouch, I may be putting some of these items in here wrong, or probably could be done in a better way. This does feel a little flimsy. Looks like it could wear down, or feels like it. It is nylon, but it's waterproof, so that's a plus if you're an outdoor traveler and battling the elements. So let's see if we start putting something like this SD card in there. Here, it's a perfect little spot for a passport. Or I'm sorry, this data card. Here we have a European converter for US. Could put something like that in there. On this side. Yeah, you could keep an outdoor, your phone in the outdoor pocket. Let's try to fit this in here. Starts getting pretty jammed if you do include things like chargers, but it's still reliable. And then there's these back pockets back here. Let's see if we can get a little closer. And this would be good for an SD card. And then let's say if I remove this cord, place it. Actually, let's do it the other way around. You could probably place this in here and then wrap and include the cord in here. So I've got some items in here. I'm going to grab a couple other cords and different technology to see what I could include. There's also this handy zipper right here where you can probably put the stuff you definitely do not want to lose. Maybe let's try this one over here. That's much better. See, now look at that. That's pretty organized. And for a person that's terrible at organization, I already feel a lot better about where things are at. Let's see if we can get a few other things in here. So I grabbed a few other items. I use a Low Pro backpack, and this is sort of the tech pouch that it provides. It's good. I like it. The only difference is for purposes of travel, this would be good for just sort of a one-off, not necessarily a trip, but basically going out to shoot or going out to go film something. I have a couple other battery packs for a digital camera here, but as you can see, right, look at the organization here. And I have different adapters and cases as well. So absolutely essential that we have better organization as a whole when you do travel and when you do go shoot, especially if you're a photographer, videographer. It's important you can have all of the right tools at your disposal right away. You never know when your camera's gonna die in terms of battery, and so if you don't want to miss that shot by not having your batteries in the right place or being able to find them. So back here is a good spot for different battery packs. So you could put both the digital camera battery packs back here. And then, by the way, the tech pouch and Peak design as well, as a whole, is climate neutral, and they've committed, they're a member of 1% for the planet and a certified B Corp. Absolutely love that. I love buying any travel products that are climate neutral, being that travel is such a big consumer to and contributor to climate change. It's good to know that you have products that are at least offsetting some of the high footprint that travel can be on the climate. Now is a look at the after. See how messy it was before, and then look at this now. And then the pouch itself doesn't even look different, right? I mean, really doesn't look different to me at all when I had just a handful of items in the pouch itself. And now let's go and take a look at zipping it up and how that looks from there. Okay, so let's zip up. We have a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty heavy. Ultimate test of how it looks with all this stuff in here, or how it performs, is basically how it looks fully zipped up. There we go, fully zip this up, and as you can see, it is it's bulky a little bit. There's a lot of stuff in here, different shapes and sizes, but yeah, not too bulky, and it actually fit all of it, so that's a huge plus. You can hold on to it and carry it like this. Like I said, can turn into a sling with a number of different straps. That's where I would really love this, because I could have my camera equipment in one small bag with a sling, and I wouldn't even need a backpack if I was just going out to shoot for the day. Plus it could hold a variety of other things. It even could operate somewhat like a toiletry bag with the inner lining zippers if need be, if you're just doing an overnight trip. The bag itself, this is one of 5 different colors. You get in midnight blue, gray, this is black, $59.95 on peakdesign.com, as well as other online retailers. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below if you'd like to check it out and potentially purchase one for your own use. Be sure to subscribe to the viatravelers.com YouTube channel if you like different product reviews, unboxing items, and gear related to travel. Thanks for watching.